Hey, this is AK Builder. Today we are showing our rivet head drilling tool and its proper functions. Our rivet head drilling tool paired with our trunnion support block together make demilling your AK kits a breeze. First, setting up your drill press. You want your drill to be set at around 570 RPMs. That should give the best results. Next, take your 5/32 drill bit provided with the purchase and place it in your drill press using the rivet head drilling tool to set the depth. Your goal is to drill the head deep enough to the receiver, but not into the trunnion. With the drill bit in place, have the rivet head drilling tool down towards the part you'll be demilling and put it around the bit. Turn on the drill and slowly drill into the head of the rivet. Don't apply too much pressure. Let the tool do the work. You want to have a firm grasp on the tool to minimize movement. Drill all your rivets you need for your project. Afterwards, blow off the shavings or wipe them away. Take your drilled piece and a punch. With the head of the punch in the drilled holes, hammer them out. Now, your trunnion should be free and able to be reused for your project build. All products shown are available at ak-builder.com. If you have a question, our contact information is available there as well. Thank you.